Everybody, this is Jim on the final lesson on WordPress here on Educator.com. Congratulations for making it this far. And we're going to talk about RSS feeds, okay, and how to create them, what they are, how important they are, and how you can install them on your website. So whether you know what RSS feeds are, I'm sure you've ran into them if you surf the webs or visited some of the major news stations. They have feeds all the time. Even on Facebook, whenever you see your friends or your family members say something, it's a feed. A feed really means an automatic update of information based on what somebody says or somebody wrote. So let's go ahead and look at the overview, and we're going to learn how to create those feeds from WordPress and place them in our own website. So this is going to be a very informative class. Of course, we can't really depend upon people visiting our WordPress site, so we want to be able to syndicate them wherever and whoever will accept them. So let's go ahead and dive right in and give you an example of what RSS feeds look like. First and foremost, RSS means real simple syndication. Okay, I guess this is how you spell syndication. I don't know. It might be an I-S-I-Y. Anyway, whatever the case may be. Now, I know in the previous lesson we talked about syndicating your articles using the social networks, using the article websites. In this case, real simple syndication is actually installing at least the titles of the blog into a website. And as I mentioned before, whenever you look at those news websites like CNN, ABC, you will see the title of an article, and then you click on it, and then you'll get the full article. Another example on information that goes on a website, like in this case right here, you see all this? This information here, it was not coded in. So this is actually feeds from the WordPress blog that this person actually created. So if you click on A Parent's Guide to Internet Safety, it'll go to the WordPress blog, okay? And you notice that this person went ahead and wrote the first paragraph and then provide a link to, well, they can find the full information. But in other cases, they do write the entire blog over here, and in this case we'll see the blog eventually as soon as it starts loading. But whatever the case may be, okay, there you see right there that the titles appear automatically once you've entered WordPress. So once you've learned the coding, all you got to do is enter your post title and full body of the article into WordPress, and it automatically appears here in this page or whichever page you submit the code. Pretty cool concept because it saves a lot of time coding, especially if we're not webmasters. So, all right, let's go back to the slides, and we understand exactly what real simple syndication. And of course, you can share this information with anybody. You can put your feeds onto anybody's website if they allow you. So let's go to the next. Let's go ahead and activate the slide and then get rid of it. Okay, so how to access feeds from your site. WordPress gives you links to view your feeds the way it would appear. In this case, for this blog right here, you'll notice that, and maybe you've seen this yourself, you have the meta box. And the meta box will basically allow you, the user, to if you are the site admin, you can click on site admin, you can log out, and then you can view your entries RSS and your comments RSS, or actually WordPress.org. But that's where you see it, okay? That's where you can view it if you have this installed in your widget or in your sidebar. So let's go to a browser to better explain this. We can actually get rid of this now.